Okay, so we're doing mixed and improper fractions. Okay, so what we have here is we have 3 sets of circles, and they're divided into how many each circle?
3.
3. So what we could say is each of these is out of 3. That's the bottom of the fraction. Okay? Now, in the first fraction, how many are colored in?
3.
In the second fraction, how many are colored in?
3.
How many are colored in the third fraction?
1.
Okay. So these are very important. We're going to use this information to make first a mixed number and then an improper number.
I know the next number.
Okay, what will the next number be?
3 holes.
There's 3 holes?
No, 2 holes.
2 holes, that's right.
And 1 over 3.
That's right. So our mixed number, we'll call it mixed. There are 1, 2 holes,
And
a third, right? So 2 and 1/3 all together. Now, improper. There is no mixed number. So our improper fraction has the same denominator as each of our fractions. So it's going to be out of what?
out of 3.
Out of 3. Now we have to count all of the thirds together. Okay? So let's count them. Ready?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. It would be 7 over 3.
That's right.
So
7 over 3. Now I'm going to show you a neat little trick. Okay? Now I know you probably haven't done. Have you done adding fractions yet? No. Look at what we have here. I'm going to put little addition signs in between
Oh yeah, we kind of.
and an equal sign. Now when you add fractions, the bottom, the denominator, stays the same. So our answer is still out of 3. But we're going to add the numbers on top. What is 3 plus 3
6,
plus 1?
7.
So what's our improper fraction?
7 over 3.
Very good. So we're able to recognize an improper and a mixed fraction by looking at this. Okay, so we're going to change our mixed into an improper fraction. So we're working with just the mixed right now. What do I need to do? Yeah, Beta?
You would need to multiply the 2 and 3.
Okay, so I'm going to say 2 times 3 in brackets here.
And it would equal 6.
Okay. And what else? What would I do after that?
Then you'd add the 1 on top.
I'd add the 1. And what's it all going to be over?
It's going to be over 3. The denominator stays the same as it was.
That's right.
And
So
it would be 7 over 3.
that's good. So I'm going to write a little note here. We multiplied those two numbers, and then when we got that, okay, we added a 1. We added our 1 to it. So I'm going to move this down. I know it looks like a whole lot of things there. Move it down. Put our same mixed number. We had 2 and a third. Okay. So what we did, 2 times 3 is 6. And 6 plus 1 is?
7.
So we got 7 over 3, which is exactly what we did to get our improper, right? That we know that was going to be our answer, so we know we've done it correctly. So in our improper fraction, we're going to change it to mixed number now, okay? Now, what I need you to realize is that 7 over 3, that actually means divided by. That line there means divided by. Okay, so this means division. So it's saying 7 divided by 3 this question. So we're going to set this up into a long division. I put 7 under our division sign, divided by 3, and we're going to go into our division here. Now, how many times does 3 go into the number 7? Well, let's do a little trial and error. Let's try once. What's 3 times 1?
3 times 1 is 3.
Do you think we can get closer to 7? Let's try times 2. What's 3 times 2?
6.
Okay. Let's try 3 times 3. 3 times 3 is?
9.
Now, have we gone too high?
Mm-hmm.
So which one are we going to use? The closest without going over. Yeah?
3 times 2.
Okay. So that means 3 goes into 7 how many times?
2 times.
2. So we put the number 2 on top. Now remember we did already 3 times 2, so now I put the 6 below. That's what 3 times 2 is. And we do what?
Minus it.
We subtract. 7 subtract 6 is
1.
1. So we put, yep.
1 is our remainder.
Remainder 1. Now this is very important because these are going to tell us how to make our mixed fraction. The whole number is going to be the number 2. So our mixed fraction is going to be equal to 2. Okay? And our remainder is important because that's going to be the numerator of our fraction. So we still have it over 3. 1 over 3. So 2 and 1 over 3.